Welcome to our guide on the best phone apps for kids. In this video, we'll share 3 fantastic apps that are not only fun but also educational and safe for children to use. Whether it's learning games or creative tools, these apps offer a range of features that kids and parents will appreciate. So, let's begin. First, let's cover basics and start with a wonderful drawing/coloring app called Drawing Games, Draw and Color by the RV App Studios developer. This vibrant application offers a lot of funny-to-play games such as Fun Paint, Connect Dots, Glow Drawing, to name a few. Hence, having this app installed will make sure your precious child always has an access to expressing him or herself artistically. As for the second app, we suggest you have a look at Khan Academy Kids. This app is designed for kids aged from 2 to 7 years, offering a wide variety of educational features that are designed in an engaging and interesting for kids manner, which ensures your child will not only learn, but also have fun while doing it. Khan Academy Kids offers letters, numbers, reading, math, and logic practice, and more. So help your child and make learning new and useful skills a fun game. Childhood is undoubtedly the best age to learn new things and skills, but parents should also remember to provide their children with uninterrupted game time. The third app is exactly about that, Planets Merge Puzzle Games by Wildlife Studios developer. Your child is going to drop and merge planets using their logical skills to do so correctly, learning a bit more about our universe and planets in the process. Beautiful visuals, cute animations, and an engaging game process. What more could you ask for? So, that would conclude this video. Hence, should you have any suggestions or anything to say in general, we kindly invite you to use the comment section below this video. Thanks for watching and bye!